Welcome to FX Hunt. For those of us who are new here, welcome to FX Hunt. Here at FX Hunt, we come to the markets on daily basis during the Asian section, break down entries on indices, and then look for a trading setup to take entries during the New York section. So today is the 8th of October. The 8th of October, what are we expecting the market to do here on Us30? So we are currently on an uptrend on Us30, and as you can see, price has gotten to a key area, our area of interest. Price is currently at our area of what? Of interest. Price is currently at our area of interest. So what are we expecting the market to do right now? So we can't do anything. This is the 4-hour time frame, right? We plot our key areas on the 4-hour time frame, then we break down to the lower time frame to refine and take entries when price gets to these key zones. So price is currently on our key area or our key zone on the 4-hour time frame. So now we are going to step down to the 1-hour time frame to see what the market is doing currently at this area of what? Of interest. Okay, price is consolidating. But before we go any further, I'm going to show you guys what led to this impulsive bearish movement in the market and how we can capitalize with this impulsive bearish movement in the market, right? Before this impulsive bearish movement in the market, you could see that there was market was moving. Sorry for this. Market was moving in a certain way, right? There was a market structure, market movement shown here, which is why I drew this. Right? You could see there was a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and price could not break the higher high, right? And price happened to, in the process of trying of consolidating, not being able to break the higher high, price now broke what? The higher low structure, right? Price broke this structure, price broke the higher low, right? So now, with this information, what are we going to do? So this is indicating that price has changed trend in the lower time frame. There has been a shift of structure in the lower time frame at this zone. There has been a shift of structure in the lower time frame at that zone. So now let's break down to the 30 minutes time frame to see clearly what's going on around there. Okay. Now, as you can obviously see, this area marked are key areas in the market. This is the area that price when price has gotten to this area previously, price has been reacting heavily in this area. As you can see, you see the reaction here. One, you see how, when price got there, how price rejected. You see how price rejected around those key areas, right? So this is telling us that we have to pay attention to this area in case price happens to get here in the coming future. Do you understand? So what are we expecting the market to do now? Today being 8th of October here on Indices Us30, right? This is what we want to see in the market here on Us30 today before we take any entry. This is the first move we are anticipating the market to make before we take any entry. We want to see the market get to this zone, right? We want to see the market get here and give us a confirmation to go what? Bearish. We want to see the market get there, give us a confirmation, and we go bearish. It's as simple as that. This properly, right? It's as simple as that, right? And also, if you look carefully, also here around this area that we are looking to go bearish, I believe that there's a psychological zone there. There's a psychological zone around this area. A psychological zone of 42,000, right? A psychological zone of 42,000, right? So when price gets here, we'll be looking to go bearish. We are looking to go bearish during the New York section. If price happens to get here, we're looking to what? To go bearish. Let me take this off. We're looking to what? To go bearish. Now let me show you the pips we are going to be risking. If price gets here, we'll be risking about let's give or take, let's say 70 pips. Then targeting 1:1. Targeting the next psychological zone of 41,800 as our first TP, which is 1:3 in total. We're targeting 1:3 here in this trade in total. Once price gets here, we'll take our entry risking 70 pips, targeting 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Then, if price does not happen to get to this zone, price happens to if price does not happen to correct to this zone for us to see an entry, what are we going to do? This is what we are going to do. We are going to wait for the market to, this is the movement we are expecting the market to make, right? If price does not get there, wait for the market to get to this 4 hours support level and this or psychological zone. Give us a movement like this. We want to see the break of what? A little break of this what? This lower low, right? Coming over here, right? Retest like a W pattern, and then we go bullish. Do you understand? Then we look to what? To go bullish. We want to see price take out this area. We want to see price take out this area. I repeat, we want to see price take out this area. We want to see price take out this area, right? Breakout. Breakout. Give us what? A retest, and then we go bullish. Then we go bullish. So if we are looking to go bullish, we are going to be risking somewhere around. Okay. We are going to be risking somewhere around. Let's see. 80 pips. Targeting this area. Right? So when price gets to 1:2, you obviously move your, or 1:1, you move your stop loss to break even. And then let the trade run risk free. You let the trade run risk free here on US30.